Okay, so as you work with Erlang and Elixir, you may notice that all terms in Erlang are comparable, which is to say you can compare as greater than or less than, say, an integer and a string, or a tuple and a PID, or pretty much any data structure. And you occasionally might wonder why this is. Why would you want to compare a port to a a map? And the answer is that basically, normally you wouldn't, but it allows you to have some type agnostic data structures, things like binary trees, ordered sets, that kind of thing. Need a safe ordering of data, and by having everything be comparable, it means you can have one data structure that works with every type of key. So you might have a tuple with a PID and a reference as like a promise for some of the keys, and then actual results as others, that kind of thing. And this way, it's all well defined what the ordering should be. Now, should you try to remember that a PID is greater than an integer but less than something else? No, don't. I never remember them. There was a sort of general concept of what the ordering means, but it was never very well defined. But the important thing is that comparability among Erlang terms is very well defined, even if the original rationale for what's bigger doesn't always make a lot of sense. So that you can have a data structure with indices of different types, if that actually makes sense for your application, which it may or may not. And you can do things like that. So that is why all Erlang terms are comparable. It has some weird benefits, mostly in terms of how it's used for different data structures like trees and sets and things like that. So if this was helpful, please like and share the video. And if not, please leave a comment on how I can make it better. And if you have any questions about Erlang or Elixir you'd like me to tackle, please let me know.